Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to share my exciting experience of celebrating Eid in my grandmother hometown in Ogan Komering Ilir. Let's see the story. Before going home for Eid, I first prepared the clothes that I would wear when I was at grandmother's house. Traveling from the city to the village is always an experience in itself. Thanks to the fresh air and beautiful natural view, especially at night like this. The fireflies that glow on the side of the road accompany our journey. The journey usually takes 4 hours because we took the toll road. It only took 3 hours and we arrived at Grandma's house. The next day, right on Eid al-Fitri, my family and I went to the mosque to perform Eid al-Fitri prayers.
Setelah sebulan penuh umat Islam menjalankan ibadah puasa dan juga ibadah sunnah lainnya, insyaallah dengan melaksanakan ibadah tersebut kita akan menjadi orang yang bertakwa serta dapat melaksanakan kemenangan di hari raya Idul Fitri ini dengan sempurna. Beruntuklah kita di pagi hari ini datang berduyun-duyun dari tempat kita menuju masjid tempat yang suci ini untuk menjalankan salat Idul Fitri secara berjamaah yang sebentar lagi akan kita laksanakan. Kita bermunajat untuk mengetuk bilik-bilik rahmat Allah Subhanahu wa taala pada tanggal 1 Syawal 1445 Hijriah dengan mengumandangkan takbir. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, walillahil hamd.
While listening to the sermon, I also had time to get acquainted and talk with younger sister. Next to me, using the Komering language, I can speak Komering. This made it easier for me to interact well in the village.
Bulan Syawal juga menjadi waktu yang tepat untuk mengawali perbaikan diri kita agar semakin bertakwa, senantiasa meneladani Muhammad SAW selaku Nabi Agung kita. Insyaallah kita dapat memberikan yang terbaik bagi masyarakat Kabupaten Ogan Komering Ilir yang lebih maju, mandiri, dan sejahtera berlandaskan iman dan takwa. Saudaraku kaum muslimin dan muslimat jemaah salat Idul Fitri yang dirahmati Allah Subhanahu wa taala, mari kita gunakan kesempatan ini untuk berdoa kepada Allah Subhanahu wa taala, memohon ampunan. Mengakhiri sambutan ini, saya menyampaikan permohonan maaf kepada seluruh masyarakat Ogan Komering Ilir atas kekhilafan, kealpaan, dan mungkin telah saya lakukan. Oleh karena itu, dalam kesempatan ini, atas nama pribadi, keluarga, dan jajaran pemerintahan Kabupaten Ogan Komering Ilir, saya mengucapkan selamat Hari Raya Idul Fitri 1445 Hijriah. Minal aidin wal faizin. Mohon maaf lahir dan batin. Sekian dan terima kasih. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
After returning from the mosque, we enjoyed delicious Eid dishes such as ketupat, rendang, various traditional cakes, and duku, which is in season in my grandmother's village. In between enjoying these delicious dishes, we also practice the tradition of forgiving each other. The atmosphere of happiness and peace was truly palpable in my grandmother's hometown. While in the village, we also took the time to visit the graves of our ancestors and dua from them. This was a moment full of wisdom and a reminder of the value of family values. In the evening, my cousin and I boiled bananas to accompany our family conversation. After that, we went to bed. When I was about to go to sleep, suddenly two gecko appeared out of nowhere, making the atmosphere instantly boisterous.
Bagi.
Kiai.
Tapi bagi teko gua bagi.
Kiai, bagus kan Kiai? Biru Kiai.
Bagi.
Iya biru
Teko gua na.
Biru, bagus Kiai.
And after that, I continued to sleep. While I was sleeping, a grand butterfly suddenly landed on my hand, making me up. Before going back to sleep, I remember this morning when I fetched water from the well to wash the dishes and found fish in it. It showed me the beauty of my grandmother's beautiful hometown. I am very grateful to Allah that my grandmother has always been given good health and a long life, so that almost every year we as a family can guard her joyfully and heavily. My grandmother will be able to witness the success of her grandchildren, and someday we can give her a gift from our work, maybe even take her to the Holy Land of Makkah someday. As we head back to the city, we always carry sweet memories and gratitude for the beautiful moments we experienced in my grandmother's hometown. That's a little story from me about my Eid experience in my grandmother's hometown. Hopefully, you also have unforgettable Eid moments in your respective places of residence. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.
Cerita kita takkan seperti di layar-layar kaca, kemas romantis tak manis.